The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejelah Meghalaya Lahkmen Rymbui kular bancim kia mardor ban Pynbeit iki Jingbakla kiba kedauda kino hikai haka CM Impact Guidebook. Haba kira ni gelar patai kubor haka lai tarik unai wiang arhajar arpusan. Lahkmen Rymbui le pencai bagi jing temu jong nega Guidebook kamdai tang menerap bakin pas nrai ban ajing tip syok nang bagi kena kenyo ya kamaks kabakambun. Ulang bagari ka kamram jog sarkar bagi bor beri kmi ban Pynbeit iki Jingbakla baro ban ulah penting kenaru baladan ki Jingbakla ke embos kan sechim kia ban Pynbeit.
But having said that, SCM Impact is not is not the book to help the children to pass. It is the question of help the children to gain knowledge, and once they can get the knowledge, we will surely impact in the pass percentage of the children. It is not a question of review. Any error which detected, it is responsible of the government, responsible of a publisher, or responsible of the board which prescribed the book to take a corrective measure then and there. So since the information you are giving to me just now, I learned from that, I will take a prompt action that whatever error which is there should be corrected, because any knowledge which are impart to the children, it should be true, it should be not false, or there should be no error at all.
So do you say that one should not trust this guidebook of the CM Impact, that students should not rely on this guidebook?
No. The children have all the option. It is not only the CM Impact which are teaching in the school. They teach all the subject, and CM Impact is one of the book of the help book for the student. But if there is any wrong, if any error, so the department, the MBOs will take necessary step to correct that error.